One.
So, what fraction did you use to make the whole here, the purple ones?
The third.
Well, how many thirds did you have to use?
3/4.
Okay. Now, I notice you've got a yellow rod, and then now you're adding some white ones. Will that work to make a fraction? Because what's important? What are all parts of the fraction?
The same size.
So, is that going to work to use two different size rods to make your fraction?
No.
So, you've got your thirds, you've got your 3/3 to make the one whole. So let's experiment and see. Let's just pick some random colors and see what we could do. What if we use the greens? How many greens could you make the greens equal?
Could I make the greens equal?
Well, could you make the greens the same length and then figure out how many parts of the green make?
Half green, please.
So are they equal?
Yep.
And how many parts of the green did you use?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So what fraction is that?
That's a quarter.
And how many quarters do you have?
4.
Yeah.
Then all I need is half.
You want to try and do half? So let's see which one would make half. I wonder, looking at these colors, what colors do you think might make half, just to estimate?
Black and red? No.
Why did you say no to him?
Because it's not equal.
Okay. So the blacks were too big. Maybe is there one that's smaller than a little bit smaller than a black?
Brown? No, brown's too big. No. Oh yeah, green. These.
What about the teal?
Teal.
How's that work?
Green. Yeah, it's half. Because all you need to use is 2 pieces.
Because these are bigger.
Let's just see if there's any more we could do. Maybe we could try doing a fifth or sixth.
Oh yes, let's do a fifth.
Okay.
Maybe.
No, that's too big. It won't make a sixth. Let's make a fifth.
This one?
Well, let's look at sizes. What fraction has the most pieces so far here? What color have you used the most pieces to make
Green.
it? The green. So, if you want to make one that has more pieces than the 4 pieces, do you think you need a piece that is smaller than the green or bigger?
Smaller.
Okay. So let's think about one that might be smaller.
How about these?
Okay.
These
Let's
are
try.
the same ones.
No, these are not the same. We can't choose the same ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What?
Now, I have a question for you guys. If you look at this, if 3 of your reds are the same as 1 teal, how many more reds do you think you're going to need for this teal?
3.
Yeah. So what fraction did you make there?
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 6.
5, 6. Oh my gosh, and they're all the same height.
And they're all, now instead of saying, what math work is this? If they're all the same height, you could say they're all
Equal.
equal.
They're all.
Then all we need is fifth.
And that, maybe we could even try 8ths, or maybe you can,
Fifth.
let's see. I'm excited to see the different ones.
Wow, these will be loads. 2.
If you were going to guess, how many of those do you think you're going to need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Let's see if you need 12. That's a pretty good prediction.
12. 1. Okay.
Why can I do anything?
Is that your fraction song?
Yeah.
Fractions are the world's greatest.
Is that all enough?
Let me just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're right. It's 12.
Your estimation was right. Great job, guys.
Oh.
Now let's try doing something even harder.
You want to try something harder? Okay.
1, 2.
Can you explain to me what you guys did here? What fraction you made?
There were if we put 2
two and two all together, and we cut them in half, and we cut them in half, and we'll have the halves.
Okay. And now you've cut the halves into half, and how many parts do you have?
4.
So what fraction did that make?
4/4.
Yeah. So you just cut a whole into half, and then you cut the halves into half, and you got quarters.
Look.
That's pretty cool. Different ways to represent fractions. Is
These
that
two are together, and then
Yeah.
I broke them in half.
Oh.
There's two.
Now, can you think of, you've done some great job with halves and quarters. Can you maybe try and represent any other fractions using the cuisenaire rule?
Mr. D, there's
Yeah.
10 of these things, and all this is like, not like this, but if you add these together, it's just the same height.
So they're equal.
Yeah.
Now, this one is just one all by itself. So what part is this? What would you call this?
Here you go, Zena.
It's one whole? Yeah. And then how many parts are this one?
8 of them.
How many parts are in the white? How many parts of the white did you have to make?
10.
Whoa. So
To
you
match that.
Can you maybe show me one that shows thirds? How many parts will thirds have?
3?
Yeah, so can you find one that has 3 parts? You don't have to use the whites, you can use a different color if you want.
Please!
Show me.
3, because I did that in here.
Oh, so you've got a couple ones that show thirds.
But these ones are 4.
Great job representing fraction, girls. I really like how you broke them up.